Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson with your very own the Unza Graduate teacher. In today's lesson guys, we are going to look at Geography Paper 2 2024 Section A Question 1. That's the question that we are going to look at today guys. So I won't waste much of your time. This is the front, this is the cover page. We are going to go exactly to the question that we are going to look at today. So this is the question. It was total marks 12 marks. So now for you to answer this question, you have to 1A, you have to use this map of Zambia. So this is a question. So according to question 1, it was saying study figure A, insect of Zambia. A, it was saying in the spaces provided below, figure 1. So this is the one which they are talking about, figure 1 for question 1. Name feature A. So they wanted you to name this feature A, which is here. There was the Zambezi River passing through this feature A. So you can say feature A, it is called the Barose flat plain, or you can just say Zambezi flat plain like this. You can say Zambezi flat plain, or you can say Barose flat plain. So now, according to other question, it was saying name airport B. So the airport which is here, you can see there was Kitwe. There is also another area here where there's an airport. So this is B, supposed to be Ndola Airport. You say Ndola Airport. It is the airport which is near what? Kitwe. You can say Ndola Airport or Simon Mwansa Kapwepwe International Airport. So you just write Ndola Airport. Like this. Then the question, the other question was saying Andy load DC. So you have to say, to name load DC. This is the load which is here, load C. The load, they never say a railway, but a load from Kampiliposhi to Nakonde. What load is this one? So you can say this load is called the T2 load, or you can just say it is called the Great North load. So you can say load is called the Great North load. That's the answer for this question. So we are going to go to the 1B now. 1B, it was saying, what are the advantages and disadvantages of each of the following means of transport used in Zambia? You say number 1, airport. So it was 3 marks here. So you are going to write the advantages and disadvantages of this airport transport, air transport. So now you are going to say, you are going to write them here. So we are going to write the advantages of air transport. So we are going to say you say advantages of air transport. So you have to say 3. So you have to say 3 advantages of air transport and also 3 disadvantages of air transport. So you are going to say the advantages. First advantage that you are going to say, you say it is the fastest means of transport for long distances. So you can write it here, say fastest means of transport for long distances. For long distances. So this one is the fastest. The other advantage, you're going to say useful for transporting agent goods. You can say e.g. medical supplies. So you say useful, it is useful for transporting agent goods. Agent goods. You say e.g. You can say e.g. if you want to, if you cannot live in light e.g. say medical supplies. For supplying medicine that in agent, so you can use the what, the air transport. So the last advantage that I'm going to talk about is that you're going to say connects Zambia to international destinations. So you say connects Zambia to international destinations. So you write, you say connects Zambia to international destinations. So these are the advantages. So we are going to talk now about the disadvantages of air transport. So you can write the disadvantage. If you want, you can write in the exam. So you say it is very expensive. It's not easy for you to use a plane. Using a plane is very expensive. It's very expensive to use. That's a disadvantage. So you can say also it requires special infrastructure such as airports. So for you to use for this one to operate, it needs special infrastructure such as airports. So that's the disadvantage. So you say it requires special infrastructure such as airports. You say such as airports. So the other disadvantage you can say it is not suitable for carrying heavy or bulky goods. So this one is not suitable for carrying those heavy goods. Say not suitable for carrying heavy or bulky goods. So we have wrote the disadvantages. So we are going to the other type of form of transport. So we continue on railway transport now, which was 2. So you say railway transport. So you're going to write the advantages. You say advantages. So the advantages of railway transport, you say, number one, can carry heavy and bulky goods over long distances. This is one advantage. So the other advantage, you can say, cheaper than road and air transport. You say cheaper than road and air transport. So that's what you say. So it is cheaper than road and air transport. The other advantage, you say, so we are going, the other advantage, you say, so you say it is safer for transporting. You say it is safer for transporting minerals such as copper. So it is safer for transporting minerals such as copper. Then we are looking at now the disadvantages of railway transport. Disadvantages. So it's supposed to be like this. You said, so you said supposed to be disadvantages. So for railway transport. So now, so you can say one disadvantage, you say slow. It is slow compared for you to go to a place, it will take long distance, it will take very long. So you say slow compared to road and air transport. The other disadvantage, you say limited railway network in Zambia. There are few railway in Zambia, so it is limited. You say limited railway networks in Zambia. Then, so the last disadvantage, you say not flexible. You say not flexible because trains only move along fixed tracks. So it is, as long as there is a railway, that's where a train can pass. So it's not flexible. It cannot go anywhere. So you say not flexible because trains only move along fixed tracks. So this one like this. So we are going to the other type. So the road transport is the one that we are looking at now. Advantages. So advantages. So advantages, you say, is most flexible, can reach many areas. So this one you can even reach, you can reach even where you are staying. So it is most flexible, can reach many areas. The other advantage is, say, suitable for short and medium distances. Suitable. You say suitable. So you say suitable for short and medium distances. The last advantage, you say it is faster than railway for short journeys. So you say faster than, than railway for short journeys. So we are looking at the disadvantage of this one. Disadvantages now. Disadvantages. So now the disadvantages, you say loads may be damaged. So you say loads may be damaged, making, put a comma, say making travel difficult. So the other disadvantage, you say accidents are common with road transport. There are many accidents. It's different from other forms of transport. Accidents are common. The last disadvantage, you say cannot carry very heavy or bulky goods like, you say cannot carry very very heavy or bulky goods like trains can. Say like trains can. Hello guys, thank you very much for having time to watch my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. You must always remember that the Unza Graduate is where learning never stops. If you want anything in any help in other subject, you can kindly comment below your challenge so that I can help you. See you in the next video, guys.